Happy National Knife Day, guys. August 24th, National Knife Day. It is a real thing if you didn't know. Anyway, quick video for National Knife Day. Just quick pocket dump. And a quick update on the channel. Here's what I'm carrying today. Let's take a quick look. Alright, today guys we're carrying the Bradford Fixed. And this is the Bradford 3.5. It's in Nitro V. It's an awesome stainless steel. And this is the drop version. Beautiful little knife to carry, little fixed blade. Easy carry, it's an easy carry. I carry this cross draw under my belly. Nice wide handle, very comfortable. Fits XL hands, awesome. Yeah, cool knife. And what else we got? Well, we got a slip from Nikki St. Laurent. If you don't know her channel, go check it out. I'll put a link down below. Awesome little leather slip here. Really nice made, vegetable tanned hide. Awesome. And inside there we got the Minuteman Trapper. Great little trapper. I love the clip point blade. And it's got a nice spare blade here. It's got the Minuteman on the blade there. Cool little knife. Smooth white bone. And there's the Second Amendment right there. So we got that. And I've been carrying the heck out of this. This is a Cold Steel Tough Light. I got the sort of rated version. They also come in smooth, ordinary blade. Smooth. But this is great. Great big choil here. Locks up solid, you know, cold steel, triad lock, awesome, can't beat it. Great knife, great last ditch defense knife too, this thing. Start punching with this in your hand. Oh, anyway, we won't go down there. But anyway, it's a great knife, good utility knife. Yeah, awesome. Let's leave that out. And Spyderco. The Yo Jumbo, not the Jimbo, this is the Jumbo, the big one. It's in S30V, yeah, made in America, made in Colorado. Awesome knife, nice big, hollow ground, one clipped blade there. Yeah, super knife. I like carrying this one a lot. And also, we got a little AAA flashlight here. Yeah, always carry a flashlight in your pocket, you never know, even in daytime. The amount of times I've used a flashlight in daytime you wouldn't believe. But there you go, if you carry a flashlight you know yourself. Anyway, so this is what I'm carrying on National Knife Day, August 24th. Let me know what you're carrying, guys, and reference my channel. I've been real busy. Lot going on right now. I'm trying my best to put out a few videos a week for you, for my regulars who enjoy them. I've not had much of a chance to watch any other YouTube videos at all, really, just the odd one. And it's going to be like that for a while. Reference comments and stuff like that. I love reading your comments. I read every single comment, so thank you for everyone that leaves comments. I'm not getting much of a chance to respond to every one of them, very few at the minute, but I'm doing the best I can. Bear with me. Appreciate you guys, all the supporters of Jolly Peanut channel. And yeah, really appreciate it. So keep those comments coming, guys. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch up with you later.